McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.
Vicky, tell us all. I miss you.
And a faru. I miss your pa.
Okay, unity.
I feel we're here. Rather, my hoarding. No shred, my dear, so I'm quite chimay. Rather, my would say the baby, man. I feel we're the member to move for what that you so they may found. Some similar to me,
Madam,
some similar to me. Why about you, Jim? So the
only impressed.
Boza!
Straight up.
Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to Kano, get it bow.
I will see how full and then still be on your side of McBrown's kitchen behind the scenes. Not MiPROMO. Me did you make the from a Miss Flavour and now the ultra minister ni aye and then dear yeah La Palm Beach. They say you see a fit 2020 months. Yes, I be BM. Yeah, and then your mommy. Passinimu, just a legendary woman, be our Trisinia Japan for a very long time. None other than Viviennie Achor. And now Baba no Diana, but me no coachuchi como, na share Diana qua, or Baba no amaye. It's in the moon stay tuned, na young Koya Mammy Vivienne Ho.
McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.
But me and your guy will boy you.
Yes, darling. Happy bam.
See all of you. Atajwa, Nana Ama McBrown. Okay, let me. Atajwa. Yeah, you never have to mammy. Yes. Atajwa. So
say a legendary actress pan and and I'm so honored to be speaking to her today. None other than Auntie Viviennie Achor and I'm Nene Babekasan. Auntie Achor to say.
You are dumo yet, yes.
Nay, that was so I'll buy a show you so.
I dumo yet that yet send me some maba.
Nay, a dipping pan I'll buy my. Oh.
And then be fufu light soup.
Hey, fufu na say di bronye real.
Oh, but just say fufu dey say anytime any day we betumi anu fufu edi.
Fufu. That is true. Nah, fufu no twist. Would there any difference? Because Ghana the fufu there we do it all the time. Inti would there any twist and a difference? Being I what do you know?
Me there no me beka fufu no. Me no. Quick type ni bi abroche for the people say anytime enti ye no quick no ye be just say ye start ya obehu
and I light soup this way
me light soup no chicken light soup and okra ye be nua nkruma na enua nyadoa ene popo ye be fra.
You said the popo here like soup.
No, obi abeta friend nsa.
Really? Hey, I can't wait to taste it. It's Ghana for you heard for yourself. So about be for any light soup to your kwatna sinaya sheno. Na say mom send if light soup na anya dan to Vivian ready.
Mo testify.
Oh yes. We can't wait. Okay, to know moon stay tuned. She's going to go cook the food. Oh yeah, they are signing a kasana as she said yeah the whole experience ne ekomana. And I must say more share.
I say and every that was what so yourself if abepi house mu dream. Odofo agya onim de nti e ba ha e be sha se odin ye mpai bone se awrade yankopo be di anim di we se na be sha se bokoboko de awie asomdwe mu ne bon pai amen. McBrown's kitchen again peto McBrown's kitchen bring us home. McBrown's kitchen again peto.
Hello, this is Mama. Hello, Ghana. This is your Empress, Nana Ama McBrown.
McBrown's kitchen, bring us home. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen, again the pedo. McBrown's kitchen, bring us home. McBrown's kitchen, again the pedo. McBrown's kitchen, bring us home. McBrown's kitchen, again the pedo. McBrown's kitchen, bring us home. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen, again the pedo. McBrown's kitchen, bring us home. McBrown's kitchen, again the pedo. McBrown's.
Wow, Sika, you were here when we were preparing.
McBrown's kitchen, bring us home. Yet to Kano.
For a Auntie Vivienne Adrian Namid no hey Adrian the papa mo bia that Adrian way dear superb American style
Sa. Quickie.
Because it was very fast.
Exactly, you know, no time to waste. When you're hungry, you just do everything quickly.
Like I thought fufu would take some time, but this one was very fast.
Very fast.
That's good. That's good.
5 minutes you make your fufu and then you sit somewhere.
No long thing.
No long thing.
So when you came here, how did you find us? How did you find the crew? You know, the hospitality and everything.
You guys are really doing a great job. I don't envy you at all because it's not easy. I'm into production, so I know what it entails to gather people, equipment, and all that to do this kind of job.
Right.
I give you guys kudos.
Thank you so much.
Continue helping my sister.
Thank you very much. Eti uba hano gift na yede ma wo ne bibia so hu ne say.
Oh, many aji pa. In fact, nyame we me nyanka me de beko. But SS luggage nti.
But say unyanka na obeko sisi a.
Me there be me nyanko ye. But me try say anyway, me try say me dinia metimi edi wo na ne aka no majama me nkwada no
Na wakasa wo tasty one kind. How did you feel?
oh, beautiful. I love it's so tasty.
Your expectations?
You know, I don't need to blow my own horns, but Nana Ama and then the guests that came testified to it. 100%, in fact,
110%. You heard it here. Auntie Vivienne Joanna was 110%. Auntie Vivienne, thank you so much for talking to me, and you know you have been so sweet since you came. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I appreciate.
Okay, all right, thank you. I was just for a behind the scenes dream na na berry, you know. Auntie Vivienne the ben or the American style, and no dia be fufu e Ghana ha amaye no. and it was very, very, very good. I'm testifying, me DB. It was very nice. Tino ya dama sister mo share that's a net ye best sign up a bio me ami di jumedie ye from Miss Flavour and na me ni ayi and na ye di jumedie we dama sister mo share. See you next week. Bye bye.
McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.